Hello students. So today I am going to teach you about the chapter Panchayati Raj. Okay, so we are going to start with the definition of Gram Sabha. You know that Gram Sabha, it is the meeting of all the adults who live in the area covered by Panchayat, means wherever there is a area that comes under a particular Panchayat, a particular village. Okay, and all the adults living over there is the part of Gram Sabha. You can see this, anyone who is 18 years old or more and who has right to vote is a member of Gram Sabha. So if you want to be a member of Gram Sabha, you should be 18 years or more and you have right to vote. Okay? So let's proceed further. So beta, now next we are talking about Gram Panchayat. Every village panchayat is divided into wards. So the Gram Panchayat is uh, like you take a village and now the village is divided into wards. Okay, the village is divided into wards, and each ward people of each ward elect a representative, and that representative is known as ward member, that is panch. All the members of Gram Sabha also elect sarpanch, and that sarpanch is known as panchayat president. Okay, sir means head, punch, then that means who is the head of the punch. Okay, ward punch and sarpanch forms the gram panchayat. All right, and besides you should know that the gram panchayat is elected for 5 years, and besides these ward punch and sarpanch there is also a secretary who is appointed by government. You should know elected is when you people used to give your vote, appointed is when they are appointed by government or a particular organization. All right, so works of Gram Panchayat are like this, that they used to construct and maintain roads, water system, drainage system, building schools and maintaining the same. Okay, construction of these things and maintaining the same. Then living and collecting local taxes. Okay, and executing government schemes related to the generating employment in the village. Okay, means people of the village also need jobs, so they need to create employment for the village of the people of the village. Okay, and they are to collect the taxes also. So this is the work of gram panchayat. Okay, so next is sources of funds. All right, the sources of funds include collection of taxes on houses, marketplace, etc. Every person used to pay tax in direct or a indirect way. Okay, directly or indirectly we all used to pay taxes. Like if you buy a chips packet also, you used to pay some amount in the form of tax also. Okay, government scheme funds received through the various department of government. So the scheme, uh, gram panchayat also earn money, also receive funds in the form of government schemes fund. Okay, and these schemes used to these funds used to come from the different departments of the government. Okay, donations for community work. So there are various NGOs that used to work for community welfare. They used to give so many donations, so this is also way. Okay, next, three levels of the panchayat. So beta, three levels are panchayati raj, block level, district level. Panchayati raj is the first tier or the level of the democratic government. Panchayat पंच and sarpanch, ठीक है, are answerable to gram sabha, means gram panchayat is answerable for their works, for their functions, for the decision they take. They are to answer to the questions of gram sabha. Okay, and people have right to ask questions. Then block level or panchayat samiti. Beta, block level is also called as janpat panchayat or panchayat samiti, and it has many gram panchayats under it. District level, this is also called as zila parishad. It makes development plans at district level. Okay, with the help of panchayat samiti, it also regulates money distribution among all the gram panchayats. Okay, so next we are going to talk about the problems discussed in the meeting of Gram Sabha of Hardas village. So here is a very beautiful story given in this chapter, and it is a story of village Hardas. Okay, village Hardas, where the meeting of Gram Sabha was held, and their Gram Panchayat was discussing about various plans, various decisions that are taken related to the problems of villagers. Okay, so the first thing that they discussed is to repair the road that connect village to the main highway. Okay, means there was a problem on the road that connect village to highway, so they decided to repair it. All right. So next they are saying that there is also water scarcity problem because it has gone so deep. Okay, and next there was a problem related to BPL list, that is below poverty line list, and the name of the rich people of the village like Birju and Natwar was in this list, but the name of the Om Prakash, who was a landless laborer, who was a poor, was not in this list. So what were the solutions? The solutions are like this, that the decision is taken that inquiry will be done about the income of Om Prakash, and then his name will be indulged in the BPL list. Okay, then his name will be included in the BPL list. And about water scarcity, they said that this year they will work for the maintenance of hand pumps, and then they will talk to the block development officer regarding watershed development program. Okay, so this is regarding this chapter. Thank you so much.